welcome back. This is Glee, and I have some tips I want to share with you today. I started gardening over 20 years ago, and one of the ladies who inspired me most gave me these tips, and I've kept them and used them in every garden. So what I want to talk about is some pathways. Like in this garden, we are going to have 3 paths, and then I'm going to have 4 rooms. And by having different rooms, it makes your gardening manageable. You can say, okay, today I'm going to work on the weeds in room 1, or I'm going to do the mulch or whatever. Okay, so like this path is going to go over to here, and there will be 1 room. Now, I think I'm going to do it in Corabels. If you look right there, you'll see what I've started. And then on the other room, which is across from it, it'll do the same thing. It'll go over here to the edge, be rounded, and I'll probably match it pretty much the same, maybe a few differences. And then I have a room here, and I have a room here. Another thing that you do is you want to have like focal points or something that catches your eye. So when you walk into the garden, like you look over there and you see the angel, and then you'll look down at flowers and things. But I can talk about that more later. The main thing today is the paths and the rooms. Let's go over to the side garden. You can see that it's taken us a while to get all of our stones, but we'll get them because we're getting them from the property. So this garden will have a room here. This is going to go up around. I have a room here. I have a room there, and then I have a little room here. Again, I'll do the same thing where this room and that room that are kind of identical will have similar plants. And then the other thing to remember, there's a lot of planting that needs to be done in these gardens. I don't have to do it all this year. I can get 1 plant, say for here, and then I'll get maybe a matching plant for the garden that is opposite it. I won't like do 1 whole room, just like you do in your home, possibly. Anyway, so, another thing I wanted to mention was, I don't really draw it out. It's all in my mind. A lot of people draw it out, and that's great. Just do what makes you happy and however you create. Thanks for watching.